Hello student, let's start to learn. Standard 9th, Subject Science and Technology, Part 1, Medium English and Semi-English. Unit number 2, Work and Energy. Today's point are energy. Why does it happen? The units of work and energy. What will happen in the following cases? Kinetic energy, expression for the kinetic energy, and last point is example. Thank you. Energy. Why does it happen? Number 1, if pot having a plant is kept in the dark, the plant languishes. Sunlight is energy. It requires plant for photosynthesis. We kept plant in the dark, then plant languishes. Second, on increasing the volume of the music system or TV beyond limit, vessels in the house start vibrating. Answer of this question: sound is energy. When sound is produced by music system or TV beyond the limit, that time air outside is compressed and pressure there increases. So due to high pressure and high density of the air, vessels in the house start vibrating. Number 3, collecting sunlight on paper with help of the convex lens burns the paper. Answer of this question: sunlight is energy. It converts into heat energy by convex lens. So paper burns. These 3 examples shows energies exist in various form. Definition of energy: the capacity of body to perform work is called its energy. Units of work and energy are same. The units of the work and energy, the unit in SI system is joule, while that in CGS system is erg. You have learned that the energy exists in various forms like mechanical, heat, light, sound, electromagnetic, chemical, nuclear and solar energy. In this chapter, we are going to study 2 forms of the mechanical energy, namely first potential energy, second kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. What will happen in the following cases? First, a fast cricket ball strikes the stumps. See in this picture, when a fast cricket ball strikes the stumps, that time bells and stumps falls down. Second, the striker hits a coin on the carom board. See in this picture, when striker hits a coin on the carom board, that time coin goes fast in forward direction. Third, one marble strike another in game of the marble. See in this picture, we know it's Indian traditional game which play in the rural area. If one marble strikes another in game of the marble, then another marble goes fast in forward direction. From 3 examples above, we understand that when moving object strikes to stationary object, the stationary object moves. Thus the moving object has some energy, part or all of which it share with the stationary object, thereby setting it in motion. Definition of kinetic energy: the energy which an object has because of its motion is called its kinetic energy. The work done by a force to displace a stationary object through a distance is the kinetic energy gained by the object. Kinetic energy is equal to work done on the object. So kinetic energy is equal to F into S. Expression for kinetic energy: suppose a stationary object of mass m moves because of an applied force. Let u be its initial velocity. Here u is equal to 0. Let the applied force of F This generate an acceleration a in the object, and after time t, the velocity of the object becomes equal to v. The displacement during this time is s. The work done on the object, w is equal to fs. So according to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. This is our first equation. Similarly, using Newton's second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. However, as initial velocity is 0, means u is equal to 0, put this value in this equation. U is 0 into t, so 0. S is equal to 0 plus half at square. So S is equal to half at square. This is our second equation. W is equal to Fs. So F is equal to ma. This is our first equation. And S is equal to half at square. This is our second equation. Put this value into W is equal to Fs. So W is equal to ma into half at square using equation first and second. So W is equal to half m in bracket at square. This is our third equation. Using Newton's first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. Initial velocity of the object is 0. So put this value into this equation. So v is equal to 0 plus at. So v is equal to at. Take square of the both side. So v square is equal to in bracket 80 square. So value of the 80 square is equal to v square. Put this value into equation 3 here. Then W is equal to half mv square using equation 3 and 4. The kinetic energy gained by an object is amount of work done on the object. So K is equal to W. So our final equation of the kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Example, a stone having a mass of 250 gram is falling from a height. How much kinetic energy does it have at a moment when its velocity is 2 meters per second? Given mass is 250 gram, convert 250 gram into kilogram by dividing 250 gram upon 1000. So it is 0.25 kilogram. Velocity of the object is 2 meters per second. Here is the formula of the kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Put the value of the m and v in this formula. So kinetic energy is equal to half into 0.25 into 2 square. So kinetic energy is equal to 0.5 joule. The stone having a kinetic energy is equal to 0.5 joule.